Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the discussing topic these days, and it's about Aravallis. Aravallis are one of the oldest mountain range in the world, billions of years old. The Honorable Supreme Court of India has ordered that any mountain in Aravallis which is under 100-meter from its height from the neighboring land, adjacent land, that needs to be cut down. This is harsh on the people of North India, people living in Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh. They will face harsh geographical conditions on planet because what Aravalli, the whole range, what Aravalli do, they restrict all the sand, all the those dusty area to come and spread over the northern part of India. They restrict over there. Moreover, the rainwater which falls on this side of the Aravallis doesn't go on the other side, and that is used by Delhi, Haryana people for irrigation and for more better underground water. And if Aravallis were removed, then all those sand and dust area will gradually and steadily come down to this area, and the Delhi, Haryana, all these places will be the part of massive Thar desert in years to come. It is fact that whenever human drastically came in contraction with the nature, destroys the nature for its evil use, for greediness, nature will pay you off big time. What's happening in Uttarakhand? Huge floods came down, and that costed lives, thousands of lives this year. Dhanoli was a village. We have seen the cloud burst over there, and we could not able to restrict and save Dhanoli village. Same thing happened few years back. A movie is already made on that Kedarnath. Except the temple, everything was vanished away with the water, the floods. So I would suggest to the entire people of India and the government and the Supreme Court itself, take this decision back and make sure no one else do any kind of mining in the Aravallis, and take care of the Aravallis range as our integral part of our geography, our nature. Save Aravallis.